Hey guys, welcome back. So the time right now is 10:30. So good morning, welcome back to another fresh video. So today I'll be washing my bike. Yesterday you must have seen that I've changed the battery of it, and keeping it there for a while idle has a lot of dust to sit on it. So I was thinking that I'll wash the bike. Also Mai's come up. So last night she slept here only. I'll just take her down for breakfast, and even I'll have my breakfast downstairs, and then I'll wash the bike. So let's start. So the bike is here, and I already kept the other bike over there. That's here, and Ian's bike I took it a bit in front. So I'll be after quite a long time I'm washing my bike. Actually, last 2-3 times I've given it to the service service stations only, because after that I catch cold. But today I'll wash it myself. At least I'll try to wash it myself. Meaning, I like when I wash it myself because I clean it much better than those guys. Even paying them, they don't do the job well. Because when it's your own thing, you have that care and concern, that you'll wash it to every corner and here and there. But when you give it to them, they'll just do anything. They just want your bike to come, some water, some soap, and to go. They don't care if the dust is gone properly or what and that. So that's why today I thought that I'll only wash the bike, and I did not have anything to do also. So I said, why not wash it? So I'll just put it on the tripod, put the phone on the tripod, and show all the cinematic. So I was just washing my bike and this thing came off. So it goes here. I'll stick it afterwards. But now there's some ground there's some work that's going on the ground. So I'll go over there and we'll just finish it off first. And so the heat is so much that I've packed up full. I've worn jacket, long pants, and this for the face and cap also. So we are changing footings of the red carpet. So I'll show you all what we are exactly doing. So we are changing this part, this one that's gone. So we'll be putting this foam first. This is for protection, and then the red cloth. So we are doing this line as well, and the glue got over. So he's gone to get the glue, and these boys are tying this.
2 hours later.
So the work on the ground is done. They are just clearing few things. So they are right there. And I'm come home to have food. So I'll just have my food now. And I need to take a bath as well. I'm sweating quite a lot. So yeah, I think it was that much for today's video. So I hope you all have even liked the cinematics of the bike. After I think 3-4 months I'm washing my own bike, because most of the time, because of the cold, I just give it to the service stations only. But I enjoyed cleaning it. However, with this bike, it's a lot of metal, and then when there's a lot of metal, you tend to get a lot of cuts. See here, so also it was there. But yeah, because it's full metal, so then when you take your hand out of anywhere, the metal catches you. So yeah, I enjoyed. I hope you all have even you all enjoyed the shots. Okay, so it was that much for today's video. I hope you all have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.